Now we get our wok nice and hot. In goes the oil, cumin seeds, and a spoonful of paste. Give it a good stir until it smells amazing. Toss in all those beautiful veggies. Sauté everything together. These are absolutely delicious! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye-bye! See you next time!